is that? Who are you? Yeah. What is this? What's going on? I don't know. Oh, Mario Supercard. Wait, what about Advance?
Oh man, this is sick. This is way better than Super Saiyan Bird.
Yeah, it's like a retro theme.
As you can see, our consoler is incredibly straightforward. All we have to do is plug the power cable into our USB power source using a standard adapter and connect the HDMI cable directly to a TV. This system takes about 30 to 40 seconds to launch. And one of our best features is to import our own games like Super Saiyan Bird. It's one of our Lua programs. Our consoler gives users complete freedom over both hardware and software at a fraction of the cost. It's the ultimate gaming hardware. As you can see, we're all happy playing this game.
Come on!
Man, this game is so boring.
Yeah, I wish there was something else. Bro, I suck at this crowd.